affect this, but finally got the dead plane thing off of there. Now we got to plane her up, get ready to put the new one back on. Be back with you shortly. Well, this wind done got so bad out here, it's done blowed my camera over twice. But, let's see what we can get done here. This is the old water pump, come off of it. And right here is the weep hole under the bottom. You see where it's wet, where the coolant's been coming out of. So what we're going to do now is take our gasket out. The pack, I've already put the O-ring on that pipe down there. But get a gasket here. Get it figured out which way it's supposed to go. Put a little bit between my fingers like this, and just go around the gasket all the way around it. Put a coat of it on it. Son of a gun. Well, good. Okay, we got all the studs back in except for this lower bolt on the passenger side of the motor. This particular bolt goes into the water jacket, so what we're going to do is give it a good coating of the RTV and go ahead and cover it with the RTV in an effort to keep it from rusting. I covered the studs all with anti-seize to keep them from rusting. So what we're going to do, go ahead and give that bolt a good dose to RTV there. And now we'll put it in. And first thing will be, we'll start snugging up everything. Alright, got all the bolts in the water pump now. What we're going to start doing is tightening it up. I always like to go with center first and get something snugged up, and also tighten it. Okay, we got them all snugged up. The book calls for about 20 foot-pounds of torque on those bolts. So, since my small torque wrench has gone haywire, I guess we'll just guesstimate at them. If you notice there, I was using two different tools, and one of them longer than the other. The longest one I wasn't putting as much pressure on as I was the short one. So I reckon one thing I need to do, get this tab bent down here, where I bent it trying to get that pipe out of there. Okie doke. I don't know what the deal is that they keep on saying to pull that there power steering pump pulley off. To me, that's working the hard way. Like I say, won't be 3 bolts holding this, and what I'm going to do, steel and aluminum again, so I'm going to give her a little dose of anti-seize. Now then, we'll get it picked up and get stud started in the hole. I'll get it. And just had to get it set up there to get that bracket back over that water pump bolts. So I believe we're going to cut her off again for today. We'll see you later. Well, I had a change of heart there. Decided to go ahead and put these bolts back in that power steering assembly. I've already put the top one in and got the nut back on the stud. Get this bottom one started. Okay, I'm going to put this idler on the tensioner, and as I suspected, the bolt on it's left hand thread, because whenever you this new idler or new pulley, this a Gates. It says it's a made in Canada. That's a little better than made in China. So